Welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys what I found at Burlington, which today's video is a little down because I really didn't find anything at Burlington but beautiful pretty ass brushes. That's basically it. I didn't find any makeup, like I didn't find anything that I wanted to show you guys, like that you guys can see. I probably found like a glitter palette and one eyeshadow palette, but that was it. And the only thing I picked up was a brush cleaner. I always pick up a brush cleaner from Burlington because especially the one I had, I like finished it completely, so I threw it away. And then the other thing I bought was just chocolates, and I was gonna buy some beauty sponges to review for you guys, but I was like, what if I don't like them? It's like they were only $6, but I was like, I'm better off not buying them because it's gonna take me longer to review, and I already have a lot of sponges right now. So yeah. And then I also want to say I'm so sorry for my hair, you guys. This is my natural hair. I'm letting it dry before I go to bed because I don't like putting a lot of like stuff in it, especially because I just dyed it black. So I'm like letting it take a little bit of a break. But other than that, that's all I found there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I found. If you guys are interested in watching, then keep on watching. So like you guys saw, that was all I found at Burlington. I really didn't find much there, sadly, but I do want to go ahead and tell you guys, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to, before you guys head out, turn on your post notifications so YouTube can notify you every time I post a new video because you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. It means the world to me, and I'm super excited that my channel is growing slowly but surely, and that's okay. My views are going up. I'm just like the happiest girl on earth right now. But other than that, this is the end of this video. I know it was a short one, but I will see you guys on Wednesday's video. Bye.